Bolman described the human resource frame as focusing on the needs of people as well as their roles, skills, interests, values, and interactions. Bolman noted that leaders view organizational experiences according to leadership styles or frames. They define the four frames of leadership as structural, human resources, political, and symbolic. Structural leaders define clear goals, assign specific roles for their constituents, and coordinate specific activities with specific policies, procedures, and chains of command. The structural leader tries to align the internal process of the organization to the internal environment while dealing with organizational dilemmas. The human resource frame focuses on needs of people. Leaders working within the human resource frame value the feelings and relationships of people and assume the organization must meet basic human needs through facilitation and empowerment. The political frame focuses on individual and group interests. Political leaders advocate and negotiate between different interest groups for use of limited resources. Political leaders build power bases through networking and negotiating compromises. The symbolic leader develops symbols and culture to shape human behavior and reflects a shared mission and identify for the organization. I would categorize the school structure according my participative leadership theory style based on Jim Hus's inspiring a shared vision. The number one of my list is the principle. As participative leadership theory is focused on management, which relies on the involvement of different participants. It includes a strong component of human motivation. What motivates people to perform tasks or follow a leader? The role of a principal is to provide a strategic direction in the school system. Principals develop standardized curricula, assess teaching methods, monitor students' achievement, encourage parents' involvement, revise policies and procedures. The number two of my list is students. They are of the most important categories in the school system because all kinds of effort to improve the curricula is in benefit of the students. They take an active role in their learning by recognizing they are accountable for their academic success. Responsible students take ownership of their actions by exhibiting the good behaviors. The number three of my list is the parents. Parents are important because they demonstrate a positive attitude at the school about school, teachers, and the importance of education, keeping open communication with their child's teacher, coordinator, and the principal, communicating any concern they may have. Teachers have the entire responsibility to help the students to succeed in the school by providing quality education and equal opportunities in the classroom. Teachers are the number 4 in my list. They are monitoring the students' learning by assessing the students on a regular basis. Teachers, as a leader, the more participative the framework, the more knowledge the leaders should provide for the subordinates. It's important for the leader to make judgments on what type of information is required and how the leader wants to share this information. Number 5 of my list is paraprofessionals. Paraprofessionals are part of the teaching process as a teacher's helper, so they are important too under the teacher's category. Paraprofessionals, educators, generally assist teachers in the classroom, supervise students outside of the classroom, or provide administrative support for teaching. The number 6 of my list is office staff. They should be good trained about the school policy. Parents talk to the office staff to solve issues before they talk to the principal or teachers. They register and releases students to school and maintains attendance records. The school office manager is generally also in charge of handling all employee relations, such as fielding complaints and maintaining employee attendance reports. The number 7 of my list is the cook staff. The meal is important in the school. They assist in preparing, cooking, and serving food in a school cafeteria or central school kitchen. Essential duties and responsibilities to operate specialized food service equipment. Number 8 of my list is maintenance staff. They provide assistance to staff, visitors, and other employees as necessary. They are important because perform general cleaning and minor maintenance duties in maintaining the library, building, adjacent walks and grounds, and the equipment in clean, orderly, and functional conditions.